Hey you, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Waterless Haircare. I've partnered with them to show you how you can get this beautiful wash and go without having to use any water when you're styling your hair. So if you'd like to learn more about how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some dry, detangled hair so that I can part it and use the shampoo foam for cleansing. But before I get into the shampoo foam, I really wanted to share the story behind these products. A group of women in Cape Town, South Africa were working on designing hair care products that would serve as cleansing and styling products on non-wash days. While working on creating these products, the city announced that they were actually going to be facing a water shortage in the next few months. Facing a new set of circumstances, the brand was actually able to meet the needs of the people by designing products that they could use without having to use any water for hair cleansing and styling. Isn't that awesome? I just had to share that with you guys. Okay, now that we're done with story time, I'm going to go ahead and grab the dry shampoo foam, which is alcohol-free and paraben-free. So you know what that means, right? It is natural hair and curly hair friendly. And they recommend that you separate your hair into sections and then put the foam on your scalp so that you can really massage the foam through your scalp and get rid of any product buildup that might still be there. And you just want to make sure that you take this step before you do any styling to your hair because, again, during this time we're cleansing and this is in between wash days. So ideally, if you're really busy on the go or you have somewhere that you need to go but you want to get rid of whatever products are in your hair, you would do this before styling your hair. So now we're going to move on to the hair balm, and let me tell you guys why I've been enjoying this conditioner so much. So this conditioner is a styling conditioner and it's made for thick and coily hair. It is alcohol-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. So again, natural and curly hair friendly. Because of the way that the packaging is set up, when you see the hair balm, you think that it's going to be a super thick conditioner. And it's not. It's actually on the watery side, and I appreciate it being that way because if I'm not going to be using any water to style my hair, I want to make sure that I have a product that is going to hydrate and moisturize my curls. This hair balm is doing exactly that. As you can see, I am sectioning my hair so that I can distribute the hair balm and keep my curls moisturized. The instructions recommend that you use 1 to 2 pumps to get your hair conditioned. Feel free to use more if you need. I found that 2 to 3 pumps work perfectly fine to get my hair moisturized. But again, I just want to emphasize that I really recommend you divide your hair into sections so that you can ensure that your hair strands and your curls are getting as much moisture as possible. At this point, my hair is conditioned and styled, but if you know me, you know that I love to go for the big, voluminous, curly look. So I'm going to go and grab my curl diffuser so that I can dry my hair to get the final look. And these are my results, guys. My hair looks so beautiful, and I'm honestly really surprised with how light my hair feels. Like when I was shaking my hair out, the curls felt like so featherweight. I was so surprised. My curls feel so soft, which is always a plus for me. I love having soft curls. So if you'd like to learn more about where you can get these products, where you can look into these products, check out the description box below. There will be details on the website and the specific products I used today to get this look. I'll see you in my next video. Later.